Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll to the passwords and security. And as you can see here on the screen lock section, we've got the fingerprint unlock option, so simply tap on it. And this is actually the first step of adding the fingerprint if you do not have the screen lock. Right now you will have to add an additional lock. You can pick the pattern pin or password, just regular options. It is because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the chosen screen lock, the, let's say, manual screen lock. And thanks to this, you won't have to go through the hard reset operation, which will wipe out all the data. So it is cool option. So let's just pick the one you like the most. I'll pick the pattern. Here we've got the information to remember the password because for the reason I've just told you. So just upon got it, and let's set the pattern. Let's draw it again and tap on confirm. And as you can see right now, we can add our finger, and all we have to do in order to do that is simply place our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button here on the side of the device. So let me do it. And as you can see right now, I have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully and try to catch every corner. Of course, for better recognition, it may take some time, so just be patient. Okay, so here we have to enroll our finger, so of course in order to add more edges. So try to enroll it. Okay, and as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint to this device. If you want to, you can rename it right now, but you can of course do it later on. So let's tap on done. And as you can see here, we've got our fingerprint section, so we can tap on the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it here also, so you could do that before or right now. You can also remove the fingerprint if you want, or just tap on the stick icon to confirm, and as you can see, it will immediately be changed. Of course, you can add another fingerprint, and I believe that here you can add up to 5 fingerprints. Under it, we've got the recognition method, and you can pick the touch or press. So it means that you can decide how you want to unlock your device. So you can unlock it just by putting the finger on the sensor, just like you were putting whilst adding it, or you can press it. So you have to put the finger with the fingerprint you added on the power button and press it. So I personally prefer the touch option, so let me leave it like this. And under it, you've got also some options, and you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. So the lock screen is defaultly activated. Of course, you can turn it off if you want to, but you've got also privacy passwords, uplock, and fingerprint payments. So let me get back, let me look at the device, and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is actually immediately unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. So actually, this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.